Videos are amazing.
Rookie I didn't push play.
Wait a second, you're a YouTube rookie? Yeah. What's going on here?
I finally get to meet Faye Hadley and I forgot to press play.
It's all right, this is round 2. My enthusiasm is equal because I'm fangirling over Timmy the frickin' Toolman. What is this? Hi.
Hi.
Hello.
All right. So I finally get to meet the famous Faye Hadley.
Dude, I finally get to meet the famous Timmy the Toolman. And now when people ask if we're homies.
Yeah, we're hopefully gonna collab at some point here. Maybe I'll go to Texas, or you could come to Bend, Oregon.
I know. Well, I'm trying to build a shop. So eventually I'm actually gonna have space and running water.
Oh, nice.
Kind of like yours, right? I'm starting from the bottom.
All right.
But yeah, I'd love to go to Bend sometime. What do you guys think? Comment below.
And you know, bonus, she's a cyclist. She races bicycles like I used to do.
Yep. Road bikes though.
Yeah,
road,
not
mountain
bikes.
Road. So one of us is gonna have to shift. We should ride the tandem.
So she's even cooler than I thought she was. Now that I know she's a cyclist.
Dude, same. Never meet your heroes, but I'm glad I did.
All right, cool.
So I'll send that back to you probably sometime later today. Just go back in and just log in and follow through with that, and then I'll be able to do everything else.
Some pretty sweet camber upper control arms and lowers.
And the bump stops.
Yeah, and bump stops.
Yeah. And they help you.
And then for this one, do you want the BMW
Side.
or the Toyota?
三个都签名。
Hi. Which one do you prefer?
I just got a whole still, thing that's then just a nice little drive. To be fair, so it probably falls under the house. It is very good.
So I'm at the Benpack booth at SEMA, and as you know, I'm remodeling my shop and I need a 2-post lift. So I might be working with Benpack for a 2-post lift for the shop. So stay tuned and we'll see how this ends up for me. And Benpack has a bunch of beautiful women working for them, so there's nothing wrong with that. And you know Timmy the Toolman likes Milwaukee, so I'm going to check these guys out. And you know Timmy the Toolman loves OTC tools. I own tons of OTC tools. You've seen them used in a lot of my videos, so hopefully I'll be working with them more in the future. I'm at the Method booth and they did something really interesting. Instead of just bringing a bunch of wheels to be on display, they made a off-road truck out of their boxes. Pretty damn cool. Of course, we all know King off-road shocks.
Yeah, you can stick with it. Yeah. Well, literally like 30 seconds. Yeah, when I first started, I was like, yeah, this is I'm driving with like the 25 minutes.
Like it's fine. Don't.
They still make it.
Oh yeah, that's right hand drive. Thank you for
They're very heavy.
It would be awesome if we can get these Land Cruisers in the U.S. Pretty badass rig.
Ford F5.